Welcome back to my channel. July is a rainy month in the Philippines, so we decided to enjoy the warm water of a hot spring instead of going to the beach with the kids. Today, we are taking you with us to one of the hot spring resorts in Monbon, Irosin Sorsogon, Bicol. I am a proud Bicolana, and there are many beautiful places to see in Bicol. On the way to the resort, we stopped at Sorsogon City Sports Complex, also known as White Castle, to take photos. To me, it looks like the Colosseum in Rome. Our next stop is Mount Bulusan. There are many hot spring resorts in Sorsogon because it's close to Mount Bulusan, which is one of the active volcanoes in the Philippines. There are 4 hot springs around Mount Bulusan. Like other resorts, Nature Hot Spring Resort gets the water in their pool from the hot springs surrounding the volcano. We finally arrived at Nature Spring Resort in Monbon, Irosin. I will show you the place and the activities you can enjoy here. The resort is big and clean.
Yeah, that's a fishing area. You can ride a bike.
These are the new rooms close to the fish pond but far from the big pools. If you have kids, you can let them feed the fish here.
Oh, there's so many fish.
You actually can't ride there. Oh, good fish! Good fish! Go! Ito dito! Go fish!
They have an honesty store for fish food right next to the pond, which cost 20 pesos.
Ano nga yun?
Roosters?
Animal.
What animal is it?
Ano nga yun? Madaming feathers, diba?
Peacock? Yung beautiful?
Yung peacock, tapos ano nga, tinapunan niya ng bato dahil huhulihin siya.
Ah, kasi peacock, nangahabol yun.
Kaya tinapunan
Tinapunan niya. Oh.
bato. Malaki pati.
Oh.
This was our room when we stayed at the resort. It was one of the new rooms at the time of our stay, and it was spacious both inside and outside. There was a hot spring pool in front of our room, which made it very convenient for our family to enjoy the hot spring without having to go to the larger pools. The room was very clean and simple. We had a comfortable sleep here. It had basic amenities like towels, but there was no hair dryer. So if you have long hair like me, you should bring your own hair dryer.
It's only as well. So
The crowing of the roosters made it feel authentically provincial. You can also bring your own food. We brought uncooked fish, hot dogs, and pork barbecue and grilled them in the afternoon. They have a designated area where guests can grill their food. Isn't it so peaceful and calming? My husband likes this vibe. Just chilling. The next day, we got the chance to move to another room. This area had 3 rooms, which was perfect for our family of 3. My parents stayed in one room, my brother in another, and one for my own family. It had its own private pool and a bar lounge with a variety of alcoholic beverages. The room I got had 2 beds, a sofa, and a TV. The bathroom and shower room were spacious. You can see the swimming pool from the shower room. This is how it looked in the other small rooms adjacent to the big room. Good morning. Today is the second day here at the Nature Hot Spring Resort. So we didn't bring our own food and we have to order coffee and food from the restaurant here. This resort is absolutely clean and very beautiful.
And yummy.
What's yummy? Which one is yummy?
Coffee and Milo.
The coffee and the chocolate drinks.
We also enjoyed the water bike. I thought it would be easy to pedal on the water, but I was wrong. Nathan is more enthusiastic and determined than I am.
Docking station. Perfect, Nathan. Yeah, we're done. Good job.
I hope you enjoyed this adventure. See you in the next video.